Hello, this is Larry at Forster's Farm Equipment with an episode of Chopper Talk. So on today's episode, we're going to talk about what you do when you come out and your harvester is dead and it won't start. Today we are showing you a 2016 year model FRs, and to present date, the batteries are in the back, and the older harvesters, the batteries are in the center. So you're going to want to take your back plate off to put your negative on the negative post and positive on the positive post. This is the 12 volt side. This is the 24 volt side. You always want to charge on the 12 volt side. At no point in time do you ever put your cables on the 24 volt side on either post, even if you have your ground on the 12 volt side, because sparks will fly. If your harvester is dead, it does not mean that your 12 volt side batteries are bad. It could simply just be the 24 volt side. So to do your 24 volt side, you're going to want to take your cables off and check it separately and charge it separately. So once you have your cables hooked up correctly, give it several minutes and your harvester will start. And if it doesn't, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you.